What's going on, ladies? This is Wesley Virgin, your master virtual trainer and master motivator with 7dayfitness.com. And ladies, you might be wondering, why is Wesley in his bed right now? Well, ladies, I got an exercise for you. I got an exercise that's going to work the bicep area. You know, I have hundreds to 200s of ladies that's using what I call the biceps. And this works that nasty, falling over skin, and the muscle is just so nasty, and it's just like jello right here. I'm gonna show you how to firm that up from the bed. When your husband is watching sports, the kids went to bed, get ready for school in the morning, you can sneak in, lay in your bed after a hard day of work, and knock it out. And I'm gonna show you how it's done. Watch me here. What I do is get your water bottle. You don't need to get a water bottle like this. I'm a Fiji man, I like Fiji, whatever. And this is my water bottle, but you can get your Zorka, something small, whatever, fill it up. And what you want to do is this. You want to lean back, okay? Want to lean back here. And what you want to do is extend the arm, just like this, all the way out. But keep it slightly elevated above the bed. Don't rest on the bed. You're already relaxing already, okay? And what you want to do is come up. 1, 2, 3, squeeze, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Too easy. Next arm. If you got a nightstand, utilize it. I don't have a nightstand, so guess what? I gotta let my hand hang like this. But it's very important that you elevate your arm, that you keep it straight as possible. You only want to move at the elbows, okay? Let's go, ladies. Let's get it done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way down to 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Relax, and you're done. And guess what? Go ahead and have yourself a drink. I think I'm going to go ahead and have myself a drink right here. My nice Fiji water. Feels good. Now you can go to bed. Now you did an awesome workout with a water bottle. I promise you, I guarantee I have over 100 plus ladies that are doing the same exercise, and it's quite beneficial. They say, Wesley, oh my God, I never thought I can lay in bed and work out and get it done. But it's very important that you do it twice a day. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening for the next 30 days. Come talk to me, and I'm going to show you ladies later how to get rid of the jiggly wiggly, right? Right here. Women hate this portion right here. And I'm going to show you, if you go to my website, if you search jiggly wiggly, you'll find that video. But you got to stay tuned. All right, ladies, good night and get fit with passion.